Hey, so welcome back, everybody. We just wanted to give you a quick video here. We're getting ready to put in our bottom row. As you can see, we've been coming around. So we started up here. Show them over here, Tom. Started just like this. We got a guide rail, runs all the way around. We're into the last one. So we just want to show you our method here. We know there's 50 different ways you could go about this, but it keeps everything clean. We had already had the floor done. It's not finished yet. We are going to put another grout coat on this just to get the rock and everything just as even as we humanly can. So we just wanted to show you our way about going to set this. Starting out the gate, what we like to do is we'll take a piece of our tile and use this as a guide here, as a cheat, to keep it off our floor. So if you did your floor first, if you did your walls first, however, really that's just a matter of opinion. We went with the rock first for numerous reasons, but here we are doing the last row, and we just want to show you our way of doing it. So now that I've got everything set, my last tile here was set, I've got my clips in. Instead of using the trowel right here, we like to use a putty knife instead. It just makes things a whole lot easier. When you're using this guy, right where the grades are, it wants to come out, it wants to fall right here and make a big mess. So this is no different than drywall at this point. And it's a lot cleaner. Okay, just like that. I've already made my line here where I know I need to end. So I'm gonna start right below that and just kind of glide that out. You see what just happened? That's the whole reason for the tile, so that we don't get on the floor. And all I'm trying to do, I'm trying to stay away from up here, give myself some breathing space, and we're just gonna apply this as even as we can here, all the way across. Now, it is messy no matter what you do, okay? But what I'm looking for is the thickness of what I'm putting on here, to make sure when I take this 1/2-inch trowel and go to move it through the thin set, that all my joints and everything are standing up exactly at 1/2 inch. Now I'm gonna stay off this bottom because it's gonna add it down there at the bottom. Then I'm gonna come back this way. And then I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to set this right up against here, come up. Just like that. That's what we're looking for. Nice even coat, nice even bead. If you notice, you got some extra there where you don't want it, go ahead and fix it while the tile's down. Now, we're gonna leave that tile down and use it as a guide here on our floor. And I'm gonna start I'm gonna run that to the end, get that little bit off. And that's what we're looking for right there. Nice healthy bead. So if that happens right up top where I feel that we don't have enough, get some thin set back on there right here. See, I just put a line back up there. That's what I'm trying to do. Doesn't take much. Once I got that line back up there, now I'm going to go ahead and clean up these high spots. Right there, just a little bit. That's it. thin set here off my hand. And now, this is where I'll take up that guide. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger and I'm gonna get this up off the floor. Because of that 1/2 inch bead anyway, it's going to smush down and be just fine. If you get a little on the floor, that's what the sponge is for. Just keep your sponge handy. Get that right off. And there we go. So now, we're going to take this guy right here. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and back butter. And after I back butter, I like to rake my hand across that. Get all these sides clean. And I always like to check my face here before I go put that on. Just get any of that thin set off, anything like that. And then just like that, you're ready. Now it's just a matter of adjusting. We just stick these in here, we break these tabs off. We're going to use them as spacers at this point, guides, because we can't get into the second row. And then we actually wedge this up. We like about a 1/16 down here on the floor. So when I stick my screwdriver in and turn, it's going to lift this entire thing up to where I want, and then I can kind of see where I'm off here a little bit. So the upper part needs to be pushed in some, which the clip will adjust and take care of that. Make sure my side is pushed tight. And then I'm going to go ahead and lock that in so that it won't move. Just find you, there we go, nice little spot there. Just like that. And then I can take my screwdriver away. And then last but not least, I'm going to run my clips in to draw these together. And that's it. We are ready for the next piece. Just our way. Hope this helps you at home. Till the next one.